Hi, I'm Jessica Sittimer, the Greenlight Coach. Welcome to Hollywood. What's your dream? Everybody's got a dream. You may have big dreams, maybe to have a star on the Walk of Fame, or be here winning an Academy Award. Or your dream may be to work regularly at your craft, doing what you love and getting paid well to do it. Either way, the odds are against you. You have to be in the top 10%, which is probably why you found me. You want more work, better work, or different work. If you want more work, sign up for my free newsletter right up there. You will get bi-monthly newsletters giving you tips, advice, and actions that you can implement immediately to get your career going. Or you may want better work. Perhaps you're working non-union and you want to start working union. Or maybe you want to work at a higher pay scale. Or maybe you want different work. You're working in reality and you would like to work in scripted. Or perhaps you're working in television or commercials and you want to work in films. Or maybe you're a DP or an editor who wants to direct. Or maybe you're an actor and actress who's been working in television and you want to be doing films on your hiatus. Whatever it is, you have to be the CEO of Company U. You have to be willing to overcome your fears and treat the business like a business. Because if you don't, big mistake, big, huge. It's because if you have dreams, they're not going to come true unless you take action. And other people are willing to take action. You want to be in that top 10%, and I want to help you get there. So welcome to the Greenlight community.